the hood support like a strap. This is how it look like. Yes. I have one issue. It's supposed to be up or down. Look it. It's supposed to be here. Everything is by itself. You can stay working under the car or under the hood. You don't have no. That's it. For watching. Please subscribe, share. Raymond, give me that piece. I want to see which one. Maybe they're gonna Google it and buy it. I will put a link where you can get it. Some cars they have two, like this one. You see how it is? They put, if this one jump, no good. This company, I don't know, but I see it here. But there are a lot of different cars. Okay, so this one is original stop plus body, and this one here aftermarket. I'm gonna put some link there. Thanks.